In this video, I'm going to show you what your teacher didn't tell you about how to calculate the determinant of a 3x3 matrix. So you can actually find the determinant of this 3x3 matrix using any of these rows. You can either use row 1, row 2, row 3, or column 1, column 2, or column 3, provided you follow these sign conventions. For example, if you want to use column 1, you make use of this sign convention plus, minus, plus. If you want to use this row 2, you make use of this sign convention minus, plus, minus. If you want to use column 3, you make use of this sign convention plus, minus, plus. Now, we normally use this row 1 to calculate the determinant of a 3x3 matrix. But let me make use of this column 1 and calculate it so that you see what I'm saying. So we're going to apply this sign convention plus, minus, plus. So I write plus, minus, plus. So first to write this 0, so we have 0, then we eliminate this first row and then this first column. So if you eliminate it, we are going to be left with 3, 1, 5, and 2. So we are going to write 3, 1, 5, and 2. Remember, this is plus because of this plus here. So here we now have minus 2. So we are going to eliminate the first column and then the second row. Then we'll be left with 5, 7, 5, and 2. So we have 5, 7, 5, and 2. Then lastly, we have plus 0. So we eliminate the first column and then the last row. We're going to be left with 5, 7, 3, and 1. We're going to have 5, 7, 3, and 1. Now, here we have 0 multiplied by this 2x2 matrix. So it's going to give us 0. Then we have minus 2. Then into 5 times 2 is 10. Then minus 5 times 7 is 35. So plus. Now this 0 multiplied by this matrix is also going to return 0. So we're going to have 0 minus 2 into 10 minus 35 is negative 25. So we have plus 0. So 0, then we have minus times minus is plus. 2 times 25 is 50. Then plus 0. So 0 plus 50 plus 0 is equal to 50. So this is the answer to this determinant of this matrix. Now let's use this second column and calculate it. Let's know if it's going to give us this 50. So using this second column, we apply this sign convention. We have minus, plus, then minus. Now we have minus 2. Then we eliminate the second row and the first column. We'll be left with 5, 7, 5, and 2. So we have 5, 7, 5, and 2. Then we have plus 3. Then we're going to eliminate this second column and then second row. We will be left with 0, 7, 0, and 2. So we have 0, 7, 0, and 2. Then we have minus 1 into, then we eliminate this second row and then this third column. We're going to have 0, 5, 0, and 5. So we have 0, 5, 0, and 5. So let's go ahead and calculate it. We have minus 2 into 5 times 2 is 10. Then minus 5 times 7 is 35. Then plus 3 into 0 times 2 is 0, minus 0 times 7 is 0. Then minus 1 into 0 times 5 is 0. Then minus 5 times 0 is 0. So we have minus 2 into 10 minus 35 is minus 25. Then plus 3 into 0 minus 0 is 0. Then minus 1 into 0 minus 0 is 0. So minus times minus is plus. 2 times 25 is 50. Now plus all of this is going to give us 0. So as you can see, we have 50 plus 0 is equals to 50. So as you can see, you can use any of these rows and columns to calculate the determinant of a matrix, provided you follow this sign convention that is written here. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Also like, comment, and share with your friends.